All right, guys, we are going to take a look at what your assignment is. There's no new content that is coming to you during this assignment. It's just going to go back on everything that we've done through section 4 up to this point. Okay. So, what you're going to be doing is we're going to step outside of the American culture, and we're going to take some of the pieces that we used and some of the elements of culture that we learned about and apply them to other cultures. So you're going to look at two, and they're totally up to you which ones you do. Okay. But I've given you some continents up at the top. Okay. So let me um, see if you can follow my mouse here. I have You don't have to obviously circle one that applies, but you can highlight it or make note of it, or I'll know. Just so you're going to pick either a European, South American, Asian, or African nation. Okay. So you're not picking Europe, you're picking a country in Europe or a country in South America, and likewise for Asia or Africa. When you select your country, okay, just type it in right here, whichever one you choose. Now, what you're going to do is go do some internet research and find, okay, some different elements about this culture. So, first off, languages. All right, say you look up something like Brazil. All right, so what percentage of the country speaks Portuguese? Does any of it speak Spanish? Does any of it speak English? So, what you would put is whatever it is, the languages that are spoken in that country, and what percentage of the people speak that language. All right, symbols. This is as simple as looking up a symbols of Brazilian culture. I'm sorry, I'm just going to stick with Brazil since I started with that. Norms. Okay, so any norms. So you know what norms are. So any of the norms that we discussed, or knowing the definition of what that is, what might those be in the country you chose? Folkways and taboos. I paired those together. I do want you to separate those. So when you get to here, type in folkways. All right. And then whatever it is that they are. And then down below, you'll type in taboos and tell me what it is or what taboos are in that country that you chose. And then there's laws. Okay. What laws do they have there now? I don't want necessarily you to write like, there's not many places in the world where murder is legal. So you don't have to put that it's illegal to murder people. I get that. But what are some laws that are unique to this country and maybe this culture that we don't see in other nations? And then last is going to be religion. Okay. So what are the religions of this culture? So, and it's very similar to languages. What are the percentages? So if you're in, once again, let's say Brazilian religions, let's say Christianity is 74%. So you'd put, Christianity. All right. 74%. Okay. And so there you go. You would have that typed in right there. And then you would go down, what is another popular religion? So the question is going to be, how many do we need of each? Okay. For religion and language, I want you to, how many ever languages they speak that you see there, I want you to list them all. For laws, all right, I want there to be 3. Okay, 3 laws. For folkways and taboos, all right, we're talking 2 each. All right, and as we go up and we look, norms, what do we want here? We want 3. Symbols, what do we want here? 3 also. Okay, so that's how many you need to do of each. And I've already explained how you do languages and name a country. Now, you guys are going to be doing 2 countries. All right, the bottom one looks exactly the same. This right here, I'm actually going to take this off. You guys do not have to do this. All right, I made the decision literally while making this video that you guys will not have to do this. Okay, so don't worry about that last question, which won't be there anyway when it shows up on your guys' end. So that's all you guys need to do. If you have any questions, make sure you get a hold of me. This will be due then on Wednesday. All right, have a good